Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Sean. I'm at the Stinnett shop again, and it's smoking hot out here. And inside, it's probably at least 100. And I'm working on the Ford tractor again. So let's see. Oh, yeah, like 104 inside. Gotta love that. So I got this block all stripped down. Cranks out, pistons are out, cams out, rods, lifters. And I wasn't sure what I was going to find. And I guess I'm kind of glad that I did, because that bearing is worn all the way through. That one's got a ring on it. This one's probably the best one. But let's see the mains. So I guess I don't feel too bad about tearing it all apart. And there's the crank. So we'll get the block to the machine shop. I need to get a inside mic or something so I can measure these bores and see where we're at. Hope I can remember how to put it back together. And that's it for now. You guys be cool. Be safe.